So if what is holding you back from creating your YouTube channel for creating another video is your background, or if you are not too pleasant with your background, then keep on watching this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change any background of any video with just two apps, and these two apps, they are completely free of charge. So if you are new here, you are welcome to this channel. So before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also make sure that you like and drop your comment in this video. Also help me to share this video so that others will see this video. So as the title suggests, how to change any background of any video. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that with just you're going to be using the two apps, and these two apps, they are completely free of charge. So before we dive in, now let me just give you some things that you need to know before you can be able to do this successfully. Now one of the things you need to do is that you need to get for you to do this, you need to get good lighting. So you need to stay in a good light environment. So if you don't have artificial lights, you can stay by the side of your window where you have good light that can use for your videos. Then the second thing is you need to have a tripod stand that well, you can use to stand your video so that your video will not be shaking. But if your video is shaking, you make the video not come out smoothly, and it will be too artificial for people to know that you change the background. So if you don't have a tripod stand, you can put your video in any place that is high enough for you to shoot your video. So you can use your phone to shoot your video, or you can use camera to shoot your video. I'm currently shooting this video with my phone, so you can use your phone to shoot your video. Then the next thing you need to do is that you must make sure that you will not move your body too much or your hands too much, so that to not show that you change the background. So these are some of the things that you need to know before you carry out this. So let's dive into the session. So we are going to use two apps for this training. So you can do this on your desktop or laptop, and you can still do this on your phone. So I'm currently filming with my phone now, so I'm going to use the same process with either you are using your desktop or on phones. It's still the same process. So let's dive in. So we're going to go into the first app, which is Canva. So open your Canva on your phone or on your desktop. So once you open your Canva, then on the search bar you type YouTube thumbnail. So you type YouTube thumbnail. So you click on see all. So once you bring it to this interface, you are going to click on the blank one, because we want to create it from the blank template. Alright, so this is our blank template. So what you are going to do next, if you are using your phone, you are going to scroll until you see magic so you see this icon. On your desktop you also see the same thing, so you just click on it. So you enter your description of the image that you want to generate. So you click here, then you enter your image. So you click on generate image. So this is the description of the image I want to generate: a desk with a flat screen on it, a table plant, a model lamp, an art placed on the wall, and a YouTube logo on the screen. So this is just the description of what I want, the background I want to generate. So you can just give a description of what you want to generate, then you click on generate image. So it's going to start generating the images for you. So you just have to hold on for some time for you to finish generating the image. So it has finished generating the image. So you're going to generate about 4 different images. So you can scroll and see all of them. So what you need to do now is for you to do what to download each of these image to your phone. Let me click on this one. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the blank YouTube template. What you need to do just for you to drag it and fill up the template. So just drag and make sure you cover everywhere. So once you are done adjusting the image, then you can click on top here to download it. So you do this for all the image, to download all the image that you are generated. So you click here, then click on download, then click on download again. So it's going to download the image to your gallery. So once you are done saving all the image that you have generated, then you go to the next step, which is your Canva. So you go to your Canva either on your desktop or on your phone. Click on new project to upload your files. So the first thing you need to upload is those background that you created. So you're going to upload those background first. That is the first thing you need to upload. So you can upload all the background, but I'm just going to use one background for the purpose of this video, so that the video will not be long. So you remove the end screen. Then the next thing you need to do is you click on overlay to add that video that you want to remove the background. Then click on add overlay. So you go to the video, you import the video. So this is the video, so you see adjust it to fit in. So the next thing is for you to remove the background of the video. So you click on the video, then you go to cut art, then you click on background remover, remove background. So it's going to remove the background automatically for you. So while it's removing the background, then we're going to go just click on this good sign to go to the next step while it's removing the background. Then make sure that the background that you import, so make sure that you drag it to the end, so that it will end, it will stop where your personal video stop. So it will stop exactly where your video also stop. So you can still brighten your video if your video is not too bright. Well, so you can do that. You can still brighten your video. If you want to brighten your video, you click on the video, you go to filter. So you click on filter, then you click on adjust, then you click on brightness. So as you are brightening it, you are looking at the video to make sure that is okay. So I'm going to use 10. Then you click on contrast. So you still need to adjust it a little bit. Also going to use 10 for contrast. Then click on saturate to add the color to your video. So depend on your color. So as you are screwing it, you need to look to make sure that it matches your color. Also going to use 10 for this too. Let me see. I'm going to use 12. I'm going to use 12 for this. Then click on exposure. For exposure, I'm going to use 6. Then click on sharpening. So you can screw it to the end, or depend on where you want it to be. So I'll leave it at 68. Then you click on shadow to remove, if the video still have any shadow, it will still help to remove any shadow. Then click on temperature to see add a little color. So I'm going to leave it at 10. Then once you are done with that, then you click on filter. So you make sure that your internet is on. Then you click on movie. So you can use one day, you can use green. So I want to use this one, so I'll click on it. You reduce it a little bit. I'm going to use 20. Then you click on good sign. So once you are done with this, the next thing is for us to blur the background. So to blur the background, you go back, then you go and look for effects, so that the background will matches with our video. So you click on effects, then you click on video effects. So you scroll to lenses. So you go and look for blur. So we are going to click on blur. So you can see that our background, it has blurred the background, so it's too much. So we are going to reduce the blur a little bit. So click on it again. So we are going to adjust it. I think let's use I use 20. I think 20 is okay. So you come back again, then you adjust the blur. Make sure you cover all the video. So make sure you cover everywhere. So if you play your video now, what is holding you back from creating your YouTube channel, for creating another video is, so you can see that the background look very real, and you will not know that this is an artificial background. So this is how to change any background of any video that you shoot, and maybe you don't like the background, you want to change the background. This is how to change the background of any video. So if you got value from this video, make sure you share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also make sure that you like this video and drop your comment in the comment section.